Good evening, good evening. Just trying to make sure that the sound is is good. It just looks a little bit weird on my end, but hopefully it's all good. We're just going to quickly get to the point of making a windmill, just because it's quite late. I don't want to keep you stuck to the computer or telephone for a long time. I've already rolled, and yeah, forgot to say good evening. I think I've said it, but I don't think that the microphone worked at that point. So I'll just say it again. Good evening. So I've got here 2 pieces of fondant rolled out. So it's just fondant. And I'm going to cut 2 squares. And I'm not sure if you've seen this set. I'm not encouraging you to buy anything, but in case that you decide to get yourself some square cutters, this is a lovely set and it's quite cheap, but it will also help you to build like entremet desserts if you will ever think about attempting to make one. So it's quite a nice set to work with. Okay, so I'm just going to cut 2 squares. Oops. Let's see, that proves that it's fondant. It's very soft, soft, comparing with the gum paste. But it's the elastic fondant. I've got the PME, the new PME in here. Keep talking about PME. Actually, just to prepare the presentation for the PME courses. So my mind is just resonating now to PME. I'm just going to overlap those 2 pieces. Obviously, if you want to be super accurate, you can. Oh, don't know where I got my hands dirty with green. Really don't know where the green came from. Oh yeah, I know, I've got a bit of a green color on here. Let me just wipe my hands, otherwise my paste will turn up super greenish. Okay, so anyway, going back to our fondant, if you want to be even more accurate, you can get after you overlap the pieces, you can get a cutter and then just cut through. What's this cutter going to do, it will seal the ends as well, because fondant being very soft, you might actually lose the square shape, which is fine. I mean, yeah, we don't aim for perfection in here, but we still want to make it to look nice. Okay, and now to get the center, I can just quickly fold and put a little mark in here and then fold the other way, but without making a crease, just to give me a guide where the center should be. Like, so it's kind of here. And then from the center to the one of the corners, I'm just going to split the fondant. And I will just go on each corner. Trying not to cut the center. I still want the fondant to get attached to the center. I think I've cut a little bit too much. It just feels that I've got 2 left hands today and I'm right-handed. Okay, just leave a little bit of fondant just to stick this windmill together, and just pick one of the corners of the triangle. Just bring it towards the center. And then just curl in. And this is your windmill. Super nice, especially for cupcakes. Super quick to make and quite effective.